So for all of you who don't know, this is hoisin sauce. Don't be fooled. You don't put it in your soup. A lot of people always mistaken to put this in the soup when they eat pho. It's actually to fool you from tasting the quality of the broth. So you put this on the side as a dipping sauce, not into your bowl of pho. You taste that bowl of pho before you put all this sauce in there. That's how you know if it's good quality. You're welcome.
Ask
For what?
the beef on the side.
On the side? Yeah, I usually do, but not today. So this is the special pho. So the broth smells good. And this is vegetarian bún bò, right? Okay. So, nothing really special about this bowl. The broth is not that good. And the bowl is hella small. The bowl is hella small for a special. You see? We should have went to San Jose.
Yep.